Dear students, you will be very delighted to know that besides mathematics, I will also perform classes on physics, chemistry, biology, etc. The whole subjects, science subjects, I will perform this. And today I have solved 5 questions from eminent books on physics, ICSE class 10 physics, numerical physics, and these are solved. It is from electricity. You must have gone through electricity. I have not discussed electricity yet. I think that you have already finished electricity chapter, and the numericals will be now. After this I will go to your calorimetry. Anyway, after this we also start live class on physics, chemistry and biology. Try to follow me. Okay. Now question number 1. Calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B from the figure. This is the figure. This figure is A and B. It is 3 ohms, 2 ohms, this is 30 ohms, and this is 6 ohms and 4 ohms. Just see that 3 ohms and 2 ohms are in series. Again 6 ohms and 4 ohms are in series. Let R1 be 3 ohm, R2 be 2 ohm, R3 be 6 ohm, R4 be 4 ohms, and R5 be 30 ohms. Then R1, capital R1, let capital R1 be R1 plus R2, that is they are in series, it is 5 ohms. Again R2, that is R3 and R4, they are also in series, so it will be 10 ohms. Now the equivalent resistance, if R, then 1 by R, because they are in parallel. This 2 and this 30, these are in parallel, so it will be 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R5, and the solution is 1 by 3, that is 1 by R equal to 1 by 3, therefore R equal to 3 ohms. This is the answer. The equivalent resistance is 3 ohms. Again, 2 bulbs are marked as 100 watt and 220 volt, and the other is 60 watt 110 volt. Calculate the ratio of their resistances resistances. You have to remember these things, that R equal to V square by P. R is resistance, V is the potential difference, and V square, and P is the power, unit power. Now let the ratio of the resistance be R1 and R2. Therefore R1 will be V square by P, V equal to 220 whole square by 100, and R2 will be 110 square by 60. Therefore R1 is to R2 will be this square is to this square. That is, after calculating this, we will get 12 is to 5. So the resistance of R1 and R2 will be 12 and 5. Next, third question is 6 resistances are connected together as shown in the figure. This is the figure. Calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. Calculate the equivalent resistance. It is resistance between A and B. Let us draw the figure because like this way, because resistance 2, 3 and 5 are in series. So 2, 3, 5 are in series, and their sum will be the resultant or the equivalent resistance. So this is the answer diagram. This is the question diagram. This is the answer diagram. Now resistance, this is series, so RS will be 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 ohm, that is 10 ohm, which are in series, and RP, these 3, this one and these two are also again in series, so it will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, this is 10, as because they are in parallel, so it will be 1 by 10 R by 1 by 10 RP equal to, and this is equal to 10, 1 by 10, so it is 1 by 5 ohm. These 3 and this one, again with the rest 2 ohms and 5 ohms. RS is equal to 2 ohms plus 5 ohms, this 2 ohm, this 5 ohm, and this RP equal to 5 ohm. The answer is 12 ohm. So the total resistance between A and B will be 12 ohms. Now question number 4. Just see, the equivalent resistance of the given circuit is 4 ohms. Calculate the value of X. This is the diagram. This is the question diagram. It is 5 ohm, it is X ohm, it is 4 ohm, it is 8 ohm. We have to calculate X. What is the value of X? Clearly, 5 ohm and X ohm are in series. Therefore, equivalent resistance will be 5 plus X ohms. Again, 8 ohm and 4 ohm, these two are also in series. So, the equivalent resistance is 8 plus 4 equal to 12 ohms. But the equivalent resistance in the circuit, these two are in series, these two are in series, but they are actually in parallel. So it will be 1, and the resultant or the equivalent is 4 ohms. So 1 by 4 ohms equal to 1 by this one, 5 plus X, and 1 by 12. After calculating, we will get that X equal to 1 ohm. So the value of X equal to 1 ohm resistance. Next, question number 5. An electric heater is heated 1000, rated is 1000 watt to 100 volt. Calculate the resistance of the heating element, and number 2, current through it. We have to know the formula properly. I will give you later on the formula. One day I will give it. We know that power P equal to potential difference, that is V square by R. R equal to, therefore R equal to V square by P. V square by P. P is the power. So resistance in the heating element will be R equal to V square. V square means 200 into 200, because the potential difference is 200 volt. 200 into 200 by the resistance, that is 1000. It is 40 ohms. Again, number 2, power P equal to potential difference into current, that is V into I. Therefore, I equal to P by V, that is power equal to 1000 watt, and the potential difference is 200 watt. So it is 5 ampere. The current flowing through the bulb, electric heater, through the electric heater. Remember, we will start live class on mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, etc. Very soon it will be conducted, and more numericals on different subjects, that is physics, chemistry, etc. will also be given by this way. Alright, today this much.